What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open up a new Moo brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $1,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay, act today. Get yourself down in that description box. Click on that Moo link. Open up that Moo account. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you a couple of Moo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moo brokerage app so that you can start buying paper assets today to build your wealth. Do not miss out on this wealth transfer explosion that's going to be happening in 2025. Just send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moo account. Let me know you funded it, and I'll send you out those Moo tutorial videos. Well, guys, Palantir, one of my favorite stocks, is in trouble. Or at least that's what a lot of y'all think. Richard, Palantir is down 20%. I thought you said it was going to be the next NVIDIA. Well, guys, hold your horses. Hold your horses. Let's look at the facts, right? Let's not look at opinion. Let's look at the facts. Palantir, over the last several years, has 10x'd. 10x. And we're talking about a 20% pullback in the stock price. Come on, guys. This thing was trading at $7 a share not too long ago. It's gotten itself all the way up to $80 a share. It's a 10x'er, and it's just beginning. A pullback in this stock is not uncommon in these hyper growth stocks, guys. It's not uncommon. And here's what's happening. When U.S. Treasury bonds, specifically the 10-year Treasury bond, starts increasing its interest rate, a lot of people opt to pull their money out of the stock market and put it in a guaranteed rate of return, especially when the 10-year Treasury bond is approaching 5%. That's not uncommon, guys. A lot of people who invest in the stock market are investing for income. When they can get guaranteed income from a U.S. Treasury bond and they don't have to worry about the volatility of the stock market, they opt to pull their money out of the stock market. It's going to always be like that. And also, a company like Palantir and some of these other hyper growth stocks, listen, man, when things start slowing down, it's 3 times as worse for their stock price. But when things pick up, their stock price increases 3 times over a normal company's stock price. But that's what you get with growth stocks, guys. So if you're emotional about this, it's probably not the place for you. Stock market is probably not the place for you. You got to put your emotion aside. Emotion is not a strategy to build wealth. You cannot let your emotions get in the way. You have to be a logical investor. And you got to ask yourself, Palantir, down by 20%. Is there something that has happened to this company to cause that decline in stock price? Well, let's look at the facts. Look at the last 4 quarters of earnings reports. They beat everything. They beat revenue. They beat income. They beat EPS. They beat net profit margin. They beat it all, guys. Here's what I'm telling you. With these hyper growth stocks like Palantir, when the ups are up, they're very, very good. 3 times as better than everybody else. When the downs are down, they're 3 times down more than everybody else. But when we look at the facts, is this a company that's gaining momentum and growing year over year? Yes, they are. Plus, they got government contracts That's guaranteed money. That's recession-proof money, guys. They continue to grow their government contracts. Now they spilled over into the private sector. And those contracts and customers are growing as well. I don't see any slowdown in this company. There is nothing wrong with this company. This company has not changed. It's still on a trajectory to be a monster company. I still think this is a $200 to $250 stock in the near future. That's my opinion. I'm not an analyst. I'm not a professional here, guys. I'm just giving you my opinion. But a lot of people believe that as well. So $64. That's where the stock was trading at on Monday, January 13th. Wow, what a discount. Could it fall more? Maybe. I don't know. Like I told you, when these growth stocks fall, they fall 3 times more than normal stocks. But when they bounce 3 times more than normal stocks. So you got to be ready for that volatility. You got to be ready for that. If you're not, may not be the stock for you. But if you're ready for it, woo, buckle in. Put your logical thinking cap on. We're getting ready to ride. I believe the market is going to turn. This red is going to get washed away here very soon. And we're going to be in the green again. I think 2025 is going to be a monster year, guys. And a company like Palantir could be a part of that monster year for you. Or maybe not. If you can't handle the volatility, get out of it. Get yourself into something that's a little bit less volatile. But with more risk comes more reward. So Palantir is definitely going to be in my portfolio. Got to have it because, again, what they're doing from a business performance standpoint tells me there's nothing wrong with this company. It's simply market behavior that's causing this slight sell-off. And again, I kind of told you why. At least that's my opinion. There are probably other opinions out there why the market is in the red right now. But I believe it's the 10-year Treasury bond yield going up, making it more attractive to investors who don't want to, they're looking for income, guys. A lot of people that invest in the stock market, a lot of these institutional investors, they're looking for income. And if you can get a 5% Treasury bond yield for 10 years, you can't miss that. But that will pass though, right? Treasury yields will come down at some point, and that's when the stock market will take off again. I believe that'll happen in the tail end of January, second half of January, early February. We'll be back in the green and we will get back to making money. So listen, if your emotions can get put in check, Palantir may be a smart move for you. I think that it goes higher very soon. I looked at pre-market today and it looks as though the entire market is starting to turn green again. I don't know if that's temporary, but it's starting to turn green again. So that made me happy to see pre-market this morning in the green on most of all of my holdings. So that's a good sign that, guess what? That red is getting ready to be washed away, guys. And we're getting ready to get back to making money and multiplying this money. Again, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm just telling you, Palantir is going to be a monster company, man. Monster company. Do yourself a favor. Go look at the numbers. Go look at the last 4 earnings reports. Everything's green. They beat everything on everything. So nothing wrong with the company, man. It's all about market behavior. It's all about what's going on with that 10-year Treasury bond yield and what investors are looking to do when they're trying to chase income. They will return when those Treasury yields start going down, which they will eventually. And when they do, that might be a positive catalyst for the stock market, guys. So get in where you fit in. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. You put $100 in there, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $1,000 in there, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Don't miss this opportunity to level up, guys. Get yourself down in the description box and level up. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. www.richardfain.net is my website address. 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will change your life. Don't sleep on them, guys. Thousands of you guys have already checked out those digital products and made an investment in yourself to build up your virtual financial literacy library with some good digital products that you can always lean on for understanding. Check out the digital products, man. Second link down in the description box. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got over 1,200 wealth builders in our community. All we do is help one another build wealth. If you want to be a part of that, guys, hit that join button, hit that membership button in the website. Come on over to Patreon and join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We love to have you in our community. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind and hold it in your hands, you guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.